We're working on a 2008 Lexus gx470. Problem we're having is we replaced the battery and now none of the windows are working from the master window switch. And generally what happens is if you look at all the individual window switches, when you turn the ignition on, you'll see a flashing green light. So generally what you want to do is, in order to make them all work from your master window switch again, you need to reinitialize them. And how you do that is you have to go to each individual one. You want to hold down the auto button all the way, hold it for a couple seconds, then let off, then pull it back up again and hold it again. And that creates, same also with your auto up, auto down button. So you want to do that each on all of your individual doors, what I just did, and that will reinitialize your master window switch.